video. I am Sattam and today I am going to share how to improve your communication and what to do and what not to do. So before starting this video today I am going to give 2 and 3 tips how to improve your communication. First of I am telling you have decided why are you learning this language, because when you decide in your mind why are you learning this language, that time you have created a blueprint in your mind and you are doing your work according this blueprint. So that's why it's very important to decided not in English. If you do anything in your life, first of create full story in your mind why are you doing this work. So if you think in your mind that time full clarity in your mind why are you doing this. So that's why I'm telling you English is just a language. Don't be panic. You can learn very easy. Just follow 2 and 3 tips. It's 2 and 3 tips. It's just follow continuously. You become a fluent speaker, but you have to do this activity daily and continuously without missing a single day. Because if you're continuously day by day without missing any mistake, that time you realize yourself your skills are improving. That's why I'm telling you, if you want to learn English, it's very easy. Don't be panic. You just follow 2 and 3 tips. It's enough for improving your skills. So today I'm going to share reading. Reading is the one of powerful technique. Learning any language, not in English. If you want to learn Hindi, French, Chinese, whatever you want to learn, you just focus on reading. Because when you read any article, novel, books, that time these words fit in your mind, and when you're trying to speak, these words automatically come into your mouth. So that's why I'm telling you reading is a very powerful technique if you learning English. So read whatever you want. I don't give you any specific topic. Read whatever you have interest, because when you read your interested books, interested topic, that time your mind work more than fast. So that's why I'm telling you reading is a very powerful technique to improve your communication. Read your novel, books, newspaper, because I'm suggest you if you reading newspaper, because newspaper is very important. It's related to our social, because in newspaper you always read about your real incident, real story. That's why I'm telling you when you read newspaper, these word, same word come again. That's why if you think in yourself, if you read one word 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 10 times, that time automatically this word fit in your mind. So that's why I am telling you that reading is a very powerful technique to improving your communication. And I also suggest you, if you want to read biography of great personality like Elon Musk, Abraham Lincoln, Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, because these men are great, and his biography are very emotional and very heart touching biography. So that's why I'm telling you read biography and read very carefully. No need to read one book in whole day. You read just one page, 1 and 2 page, but you read 1 and 2 page 2 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 10 times. That time, if you read same pages, say 2 times, 10 times, 5 times, that time these words automatically fit in your mind. And after complete your reading, just sit in quiet and think all story in your mind. What have you read? What have you read? That's why when you think all story in your mind, you all story fit in your mind. And again you are doing one more thing. What? Read, think, and now come to the main point. Speak, and try to speak all entire story. What have you read in before half hour and 1 hour? You just try to speak. If you have partner, so narrate all story them, or narrate all story with them. And if you don't have partner, no matter, don't be hesitate. You just stand front of the mirror and speak entire story in what have you read. But if you don't have mirror, it doesn't matter. You have cell phone, you just on your camera and record your own video. What have you read? If you follow this technique, one and two big, you will realize yourself, your communication and pronunciation of word improve day by day. If you don't believe my thoughts, so go and do this. After doing this continuously 1 week, 1 and 2 week, you comment me, yes I am saying good. So today I am giving you just one tips to improve your communication. So go and follow this technique. If you want to join conversation with me, one-to-one conversation, so you can mail me. I given you mail address on my description box, so that you can improve your communication and you become a fluent speaker. So thank you for today. Bye for now. Thank you, and do this work continuously. Thank you so much.